Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Largo, local and long distance movers near me. Choosing to hire 3 movers means you get a team to help you with your long distance move. We do more than just transport your things. Some of the things we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Figuring out if you should hire a Florida moving company for a local move might not be easy. Looking at how the pros outweigh the cons will help ensure you have all the information you need to make the right decision. With benefits such as more time to handle other tasks, convenience, and professionals handling your things make the cost of a local moving company worth it. You'll also turn over the heavy lifting to professionals, making it easier on you. Professional movers such as 3 Movers offer an easy way to streamline the moving process. You get settled into your new location faster with the right movers. Doing it all yourself can take a few days or an entire week. With our well-trained Largo movers, everything is handled in just a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Largo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.